So when we talk about osmosis, are there factors that affect the rate of osmosis? Yes, of course. So we're going to have number one, temperature. Just like with diffusion, temperature affects the rate of osmosis. So in short, it can influence whether osmosis occurs faster or slower. And the reason for this is because temperature affects the kinetic energy of the water molecules. So an increase in temperature increases the kinetic energy of the water molecules, therefore increasing the rate of osmosis. So if you have a certain setup and you want osmosis to take place at a faster rate, you can simply increase the temperature. Another is the thickness of the membrane. As mentioned, osmosis can only happen across semi-permeable membrane. But if you have a membrane that is thinner, it's going to provide a shorter distance and therefore water molecules are going to move at a faster rate. However, thicker membranes provide greater distance. So you're going to have a large distance that needs to be covered by the tiny water molecules, and therefore the rate of osmosis is going to be slower. Last one, concentration gradient. So as stated before in our previous video, whereby we discussed the factors affecting the rate of diffusion. By the way, if you haven't checked the video, I highly recommend you do so. The higher the concentration gradient, the faster the rate of osmosis. So if you have a larger difference in the water molecules between two areas, you're going to have a faster rate of osmosis. Now, a lot of the application questions usually tend to come from osmosis rather than diffusion and active transport. So as a student, if you want to excel in questions featuring cell physiology, you need to practice as many questions